It seems like Kane hasn't changed his spots after all. Eh?
Moira said that Kane could spend some time with the baby. So all of a sudden he's invented some drop-off in Hull.
This little scrap's been delightful. Slept like a lamb on me.
It's my fault for pressuring him. Kane needs notice for this kind of thing.
No, Mum. If Robert can step up, he can step up.
Hey. So I've booked this motel for Wednesday just off the Hotton bypass, right?
Motel, as in?
No. As in sexy fun afternoon without Charity or Marlon bursting in.
Right, I get it.
Yes, so you check in first, I'll come and find you. What's your check-in name?
Anthony Perkins.
No!
Sorry, it's just because you said motel, I wouldn't get psycho out me yet.
No.
Well, that was a total waste of time. Daphne didn't think that Leo's TA was a fundraising priority.
Really?
Yeah, but I can start my own campaign, can't I? I don't need their approval.
Of course you can.
So, bake sale on Wednesday. Well, Marlon and Pearl can make stuff and I'll knock out some brownies or something.
Have you ever made a brownie?
When had I ever castrated a bull before the first time?
And you know what? It's going to be the best bake sale ever with Paddy helping.
What about our...
We were going to go raving. Yeah, we can do that anytime.